the shoulders sink. Good. Sinking in. Good. Ooh. Alright, we got some of it, but your ponytail got caught in the table, so I didn't get all the way, okay? We're gonna do one more. Nice and gentle breathing. Good. Let your shoulders sink in. Good. Let this loosey goose. Good. Loose, loose.
Oh, good.
Good. And out. Good. Everything's sinking in here.
Oh my God.
Good. That's perfect. Good. Good. Let your head relax. Shoulders relax. Let it go. Good. Now breathe. Gentle. Good, let this go. Oh.
Oh.
Sinking in.
Holy what?
Good. Sinking in. Good. Sinking in. Shoulders. Good. Good. And out. Hold. Now. Good. This time, deep breath in. I'm going to push at the top of the breath. So let's do that again. Deep breath in, all the way in. Good, and out. Just a little bit more. Bring the hip down, shoulder. Good. Good. Oh! Breathe. You don't have to hold. You don't have to do anything. Every time you breathe out, just feel your head just dropping into the table. Let it go. Shoulders drop. Good. Shoulders sink here. Good. Good. Breath gently like this. Good. Let your head drop.